Welcome to Forestry Tech. Brace yourself for jaw-dropping stunts and the raw, untamed risks that excavators battle daily. This isn't just a job, it's a high-stakes adventure. No fluff, no delays, let's dig deep. When a rookie hesitates, the machine hesitates. That's when people start second-guessing every move, even if it's technically safe.
Нет, стой! О!
The long-reach excavator is like a giant machine, graceful yet powerful, making deep digging seem effortless. I can't help but wonder, how do these machines perform such extraordinary feats? Absolutely incredible. Welcome to the ultimate demolition showdown. Demolishing industrial giants isn't just about brute force. It's a high-stakes game of strategy, precision, and pure adrenaline. The operation unfolds in several well-defined stages. Precision cutting is executed using high-grade concrete shears that surgically slice through steel reinforcements. Finally, hydraulic breakers, engineered for calibrated performance, shatter reinforced concrete. This type of operation not only requires heavy equipment, but also a team of experts who know how to use it effectively. Planning is crucial to ensuring that each machine works in harmony. Moving massive pipelines is a high-stakes operation where precision is everything. A single miscalculation could crush equipment, wreck the pipeline, or worse. Oh my gosh, my heart is pounding. That's why seamless coordination between machines and skilled operators isn't just important, it's non-negotiable.
Ебать!
When an air duct catches fire, even a tiny spark igniting a large gas leak can trigger a massive explosion, destroying everything nearby. Worse, combustible gases can produce toxic smoke, CO, NOx, etc., posing serious health risks. However, thanks to experience and quick action, the excavator operator managed to put out the fire before it got out of hand. An admirable act. Imagine balancing a 2-ton excavator on a tightrope, 13 feet in the air. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Hugh Edelianu just pulled it off at Diggerland in Strood. With over 1,500 people holding their breath, he inched his Komatsu PC-14 across a 98-foot gap, suspended only by a steel cable. One wrong move, disaster. But Hugh made it look easy. This is next-level skill, precision, and sheer guts. Would you dare to try? At a demolition site in Gebwiller, 68, a 40-ton excavator systematically dismantles a building. A water jet is deployed to suppress dust, ensuring a controlled work environment. The moisture binds the particles, preventing airborne hazards that could affect visibility, respiratory health, and public safety. This is how professionals operate: precision, safety, and efficiency in every step. In severe storms, hydraulic excavators equipped with grapples play a key role in emergency response. These machines efficiently remove debris blocking water flow, reducing flood damage. Operating in such hazardous conditions requires precision. Without proper technique, the strong current can pose a threat to both equipment and personnel. It was deeply moving to see the floodwaters recede dramatically once the debris under the bridge was cleared. We pray for the safety of these silent heroes and deeply appreciate their hard work. A small bus stranded on a levee. As floodwaters raged, a local villager emerged, maneuvering an excavator like a shield against disaster. Meanwhile, rescue teams raced to evacuate 14 trapped passengers. Tension filled the air, but in the end, everyone was safe. A dramatic moment of bravery. Let's break it down. EX3600-6 runs on a 1,944 horsepower MTU-12 V4000 engine, moves a bucket holding 28.8 to 30.1 cubic yards. That means it can move massive amounts of material in record time. Plus, its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth operation, even in the harshest mining conditions. Amazing. Exactly this machine was built to dominate. Installing pipelines on muddy terrain is always a challenge, even for seasoned operators. The high moisture content increases mud adhesion, making vehicles more prone to getting stuck. But watching the crew in action, from managing traction to distributing weight, it's clear they've honed this skill over years of experience. That seamless coordination is the key to success in such harsh conditions. Wow, cleaning the mud off these machines is going to be a tough job for someone. Hope they packed patience and a pressure washer. As the Caterpillar D9T bulldozer finished its mission, its journey to the next project was tough. Transporting such a machine requires expert coordination, ensuring it overcomes rugged terrain without damage. This isn't just about moving a dozer, it's about precision, engineering, and sheer determination. Hydraulic shears can slice a truck in half within seconds, applying up to 1.2 million pounds of force to cut through 1-inch thick steel like paper. These machines operate at pressures exceeding 72,500 pounds per square inch, ensuring clean, controlled cuts. That's why they're go-to tools for demolition and rescue operations.
This isn't good, boys.
Winter's bite cuts deep, and snow blankets the entire worksite. Picture yourself in the cab of a Timco, carefully maneuvering the controls over rough, icy terrain. Then, disaster strikes. One wrong move, and the tracks slip into a deep snow pit. The whole machine tilts, then topples. Terrifying, right? But just in time, a skidder roars in, pulling the Timco back from the brink. This incident serves as a critical reminder. Safety protocols must never be overlooked in extreme weather.
What kind of...
Ever wondered how a long-reach excavator is put together? Today, we're following the assembly and testing of the Liugong Dresta 952E. Every part is meticulously fitted, every system rigorously checked, ensuring it runs smoothly in the toughest conditions. What do you think of this machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Building water pipelines or infrastructure projects in rugged mountainous terrain like Stockholm, 2,190 meters above sea level, presents significant challenges. Accurate site positioning is critical to avoid landslides, and the high humidity can reduce grip, potentially damaging equipment. Utilizing a versatile excavator like the Menzi Muck M535, designed for steep inclines, is an excellent choice. Alain Grossenbacher's expertise is key when managing machinery in such conditions. And don't forget, meticulous planning and safety protocols are essential. A section of the railway track was destroyed and replaced by a massive rail bridge. Under the harsh lights of floodlights, a swarm of headlights illuminated the night, creating a spectacle that could have easily been mistaken for a grand show. Weighing a massive 1,400 tons, the bridge was lifted using 4 hydraulic jacks and 2 nitrogen-powered jacks, positioned on either side of the structure. It took just 90 minutes to move the bridge 35 meters to its final position on the SNCF line, Paris-Châteaudun Tours. Could you imagine the amount of precision it took to pull this off? Leave a comment if you find this moment impressive. Wow, the Caterpillar 793F is a beast. Seeing it disassembled and transported like giant robot parts is amazing. The precision is impressive. Can't wait to see it in action at Svappavaara. Unreal. He just drove that mini excavator up onto the truck like it was second nature. This guy isn't just skilled, he's got it down to an art. The Kiesaufbereitung process, combining the Rubble Master HS 5000M screener and the RM100 Go crusher, delivers high efficiency in sorting and processing gravel, stone, and recycled materials. The HS 5000M ensures fast size classification, while the RM100 Go handles oversized materials with an optimal crushing ratio. This setup is not only flexible and mobile, but also environmentally friendly thanks to energy-saving technology. It's an ideal solution for construction, mining, and recycling, with potential for even greater efficiency through smart sensors and advanced technology. Are you ready to witness some jaw-dropping heavy machinery in action? This performance is engineered to blow your mind. Buckle up and dive into the power-packed world of extreme tech. Let's watch, react, and break it down together. The winter conditions required careful preparation. Snow had to be cleared from the trawl. Traction aids, such as old flippers, were placed under the excavator's tracks, and the operator needed assistance to board smoothly without exiting the cab. Under supervision, he followed instructions carefully. Despite his inexperience, he successfully maneuvered the machine without slipping, proof that patience leads to skill. Thank you for your time. If you found this information useful, consider liking and subscribing to receive our latest updates. Forestry Tech, pioneering tomorrow's innovation. See you in our next session.